And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you can change the photo resolution in the WIKO U Pulse phone. So in the first step, open the camera app, then click on the settings icon, and how you can see here have a picture size and just tap on it, and how you can see here have a 30 megapixels resolution, 10 megapixels and half. So just select the 30 megapixels, take your photo, and the photo should be taken in the highest available resolution. Now we can check in the details. Sorry, I'm not sure what's happened here, but okay, the details. And how you can see there have 30 megapixels resolution. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.